BSMGT.
What's the best org in Lasal?
I feel like it's Gemma. It's probably Gemma.
Anglicom. Anglicom.
Anglicom. For me, it's Blaze 2027.
Blaze 2027.
SME.
It's my home org, and judging from the activities of Gemma, it looks interesting. It's fun.
Well, I think they're very engaging with their organization. And the people there seem pretty approachable.
Shout out to the people in Gemma.
Why? Ideolo ko. ID's cute.
I like it there.
I see.
It's the student government for the student. Wait lang, mali! This is the batch government for the COB 124s, and they are more than dedicated to serving the student body. So yun lang.
We have a lot of projects lined up for the benefit of the COB 124s and everything.
My project head.
Okay, happy 124s.
BSMGT.
BS.
The BSMGT org. This is Management Society, sorry.
I'm part of it kasi.
Madami siyang opportunities when it comes to internships and job offers and a lot of get-togethers.